Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am not going to be wasting your time in today's video. I am going to go straight to the point. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how much YouTube actually paid me for 32 views on my vlogging channel. And these views was, I think I was having 30 views before I got monetized. And when I got monetized, I had extra 2 views, and that is what YouTube paid me for. I would be saying 2 views, but according to YouTube, they paid me 32 views for that amount. And it's going to be shocking for the money that they paid. I used to hear a lot of creators say, yes, vlogging channel does not really pay and all. But this is shocking. This is shocking. I have never gotten this kind of amount on this my channel before. I have never for that kind of view. So let's go into the video. Let's go into our screen recording. So this is my channel. This is my channel. So this is the video. This video was posted a month ago. Let's click on the video. Mini vlog, cleaning, story time, and cooking spaghetti. Okay, the video is views, 33 views. Impression click rate, let's just click on it so that will show you everything. 33 views. So let's click on it and see when I had extra views. Okay, 31 as of September 28th. I got 31 and I got monetized 25. No, I was having 29 views before I got monetized. I was trying to check it. I was having 29 views before I got monetized. So after I got monetized, extra 4 views added to it. Audience view duration is 1 minute 29 seconds. 1 minute 29 seconds on the video of 4 minutes. 1 minute 29 seconds. Actually nice. Reach. This video has a 1.2k impression. 1.2k impression. That means this video has gotten to 1002 persons and just 33 persons watched it. Our viewers found this video. Channel page 54.6%. Browse features 30.3%. Playlist, wow, 9.1%. Suggested videos 3%. Related shorts 3%. External site, no external site, no, not enough traffic data to show this search. YouTube search. Why content suggesting this video? One of my content playlists. Let's go to engagement. I've gotten 0.8 watch hour from this video. I talked about average view duration. Okay, audience. Unique viewers 29 views for unique viewers. Audience by watch behavior, no. Viewers also watch. This is what viewers also watch. Device type that watch the video. Mobile is 87%. Tablet is 9%. Computer 4%. Age, no gender, no top geographic area. Right subtitle, no subtitle 87.9%, English 12.1%. Watch time from subscribers. So non-subscriber actually watch this video more on my vlogging channel, remember, not this. So let's go to the main view, which is the revenue. Guys, are you see what I'm saying? $2.51 for 33 views on a vlogging channel. Remember, it's on a vlogging channel, and I had 29 views before I got monetized. That means extra 4 views entered this video, and this is what YouTube is paying me. $2.51 for me is actually huge. Like, I've never gotten this like on this my channel before, on maybe on a low views. Like, it's actually huge. And see, views 33. Revenue per 1k views is $75.94. Let's just say $76. I think this video now add 1k views. This is what I'll be getting. How much advertisers are paying? Because it's unbelievable. I don't even know. I don't trust this. Advertisers are paying $1,518.88. Like, how? How? Let me end my screen recording. Guys, how? Because when I saw it, the thing was unbelievable to me. For real. I was like, I have to check check it again. And I was really shocked because I never expected it. Like, for real, I never expected it. That is why one thing about it is, don't say you want to wait until you get monetized. Push content, put out content. You don't know which content when you get monetized and which content is going to see end you. If people still watch your old content when you get monetized, you still get paid for it. And this is the highest money I've gotten for one video. I know I've earned higher on my live stream and on my short pays too. Short pays. You just know how to do your shorts very well. And that is it for you. Do you think this money is worth it for just 33 views, $2.51? Do you think it's worth it? For me, actually, it is worth it. And this is another way of encouraging you all to keep posting. Even if people are not watching you, keep posting. This is my channel. I have never for once carried the link and share. Never. When I started, I told myself that I am going to grow this channel from scratch. No sharing link for family members to subscribe. I have never done that to this my vlogging channel. I have never. So all these things I'm getting, all the views, all the subscribers, is from YouTube. No family member, except because I heard one of my friends told me that she has come across this my channel before. It's only this one I'm talking with you on. This is the only channel I know. I shared it at first when I started YouTube. For this vlogging channel, I've never shared any link to anybody, but it's doing well. It has high potential. I can see the potential with the way it's ending, with the way it's growing. It has high potential to grow. So that is why you need to start a YouTube channel today. You need to start your YouTube channel today. You need to start posting, be consistent with it. This channel is live stream that actually helped me to grow this channel. And currently my shorts, the way I noticed the way people do their shorts, they type it, hashtag they put and everything. That is what I am now using, and I can see the short is getting views, is getting notified. So if you have not started anything, if you have not started growing your channel, if you have not started, please carry your phone, start creating content. Set your title well. AI is there. And I think very soon, because I've been busy, there's a new AI website that you can now use to create videos. I am going to be talking on that very soon because I have been busy. I've not yet make a video on how to use it. So I am going to be talking on that AI website that you can use to create your video, to get script. You can use it to script your video too. And this is the end of today's video. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share the video. Comment on the comment section if you have any question. Just ask me. And do you think it is worth it? If it is worth it, if this $2.51 is worth it for 33 views on a vlogging channel, comment it on the comment section, and that will be all for now. See you on my next video. Bye.